Hello, my name is Robin Hughes and I'm excited to show you some maintenance project functionality currently planned for Release 4 in December of 2020. I'm going to show you a quick high-level overview of the upcoming functionality and highlight some of the user benefits. Maintenance project functionality in TxDOTCONNECT will be replacing your A screens and CMCS. I'm going to start with search for a project. As you can see, I am on the search page. And I've already defined maintenance projects, so we're going to open a project. The first page that you'll come to on an existing project is the project details. Notice here that I have things like limits, classification, short description, and the state project number contained in this screen. If there was a right-of-way CSJ, it would be indicated here. Moving to location, this is where we define the location for our maintenance contract. In this case, we've indicated that the highway is FM 1025 and that this is a county designated project. We can also enter bridges by adding an asset, which is new to the maintenance functionality. This will allow us to use that NBI number or that bridge in our engineer's estimate. Moving on to funding, we allow you to enter a new funding line. If I click on plus maintenance, it will give us that it's approved. All we have to do is enter the amount in and the rest sets up. The exciting part is you'll be able to indicate the local percent, what kind of local donation or payment is going to happen on the project, and who's going to pay for it. If there is federal funding for emergency relief funds, our finance division will be able to enter that right here into the construction grid. There'll be no more need for your non-let project. Moving on to letting, we have several let dates. Of note, we have the estimated let date, the bids received until date. We carry both the district and state sequence numbers. We'll give the actual let date, or if it's local let, we'll be able to indicate it here. In the controlling and subordinate project grid, you'll be able to link projects together, enter in your pre-bidder conferences. If there's federal funds, finance will fill out the performance end dates, and your contract summary, which will give you your contract number when your bids received until date is entered along with your sequence number. We automatically input the type of work and the contracts from the controlling project. Moving forward to the engineer's estimate, we have design standard, the spec book year, which is 2014 right now, the bid type, which is only low bid for maintenance projects, who is doing the estimate review right now, district or division, and the total of your engineer's estimate. It also breaks it down by types of category of work so that you can easily at a glance see everything you need to know. We can add a new item, but as you can see, we can select our category of work, search for our bid code, automatically input our description, input our quantity and our unit prices, and we'll even have the 3 and 12-month bid averages. Moving forward to the specification list, it builds directly from your saved engineer's estimate. Your standard, special specifications, special provisions, and 000 provisions automatically build, and you can add or remove certain items. On your sealing and summary page, you'll be able to select and seal any or all of your linked projects. Goals and objectives are obtained from the project classification and are built based on the project classification, and they let you know the strategic transportation objectives and agency strategic goals for this particular project. On the resources page, it will show you who entered the project. You'll be able to designate your maintenance manager and or your design manager here and your project manager. You'll be able to invite your external consultant if needed from this page. If we had any right-of-way or utilities connected with your maintenance project, they would be indicated right here within the project, so there's no more guessing if there is actually right-of-way or utilities needed outside of the way it's currently done and absorbed into the contract. We can also enter comments. We can expect more streamlined information as we continue to complete the development of this very exciting release. If you want more, come to our roadshow. We can't wait to bring your maintenance functionality to you, the TxDOT staff, and our external partners later this year.